On today's episode of Liberals and Retards, we're going to teach you how to properly install a door handle and make sure those weirdos stay the fuck out. So anyway, we have our door handle here, and you look over here, it's popped out on that side. So what we do is we want to fix up a hammering this side and like this. Now that's an issue we must fix right now. So now we're going to come back inside here now. Come.
I'm coming.
Close the door. So now we're in here. So anyway,
Done backwards, didn't it? Done backwards.
I'm gonna go check if I can get the door open. Check that door. Check that door.
Great job, Blip. Great. Yes, it works. We fixed it.
Anyway. Fuck. So now you see we fucked up again. So now I gotta come back in here. Yeah, you can say, so I want to pop this back in like so.
Yes, it fixed.
Okay. This is a good problem to have. All right, we close the door. Oh, this here. Now, if you're poor like us, I mean, you don't have the right equipment.
I mean, spend all our money on drugs.
Yes. And you can't afford Allen wrenches. Just use ice grip. And you just grip.
Make sure to thread it out, like so.
And then you just.
That's loosening, dumbass.
I knew that.
You did it.
Sure.
We're trying to be professional right here.
Holy
Holy shit, we spent like fucking. Come on. Get it on there. Jesus Christ. Holy shit, how hard can it be? It's supposed to be easy DIY that anyone can do. No, you think you fucking... Okay. As you can see, it is fixed. It is on the door. It does not have to be functional. It can be decorational.
There, yes. That shit ain't coming anywhere. As you can see, it was firmly installed.
Well, that'll conclude it for today's episode of what?
What the fuck's the time over here?
Gone.
Fuck.